Stop overpaying because of one confusing word. Today, the simple difference between deductible, copay, and coinsurance, and how a $1,200 bill can be $1,200, $240, or just $30. By the end, you'll know who pays when, how to read your card, and how to choose the most cost-effective plan without the jargon. Let's start simple with 3 plain English definitions. Deductible: the amount you pay first each year before insurance starts sharing costs. Think of it as your yearly unlock fee. You cover the early costs until the plan turns on. Copay: a fixed fee you pay at the time of service, like $30 for a primary care visit, $45 for a specialist, or $15 for a generic prescription. It's a predictable posted price. Coinsurance: a percentage of the bill after you've met your deductible, like 20% for outpatient procedures or hospital stays. If the bill is $1,000 and your coinsurance is 20%, you pay $200, the plan pays $800. Who pays when? The sequence matters. Before you meet your deductible, most costs are on you, except services that specifically have a copay. After you meet your deductible, coinsurance kicks in. You pay a percentage, your plan pays the rest, and there's a safety cap called the out-of-pocket maximum. Once you hit that cap in a year, you pay $0 for covered services for the rest of the year. Preventive care, like annual checkups, vaccines, and many screenings, is often $0 even before the deductible. Use those. They're free value. Let's get practical. How do you read your insurance card and summary? On your card or benefits page, you'll usually see 4 key lines: deductible, copays, coinsurance, and out-of-pocket max. Deductible might say $1,500 individual / $3,000 family. Copays list fixed fees: $30 primary care, $45 specialist, $10 to $20 generics, separate urgent care, and ER copays. Coinsurance might read 20% or 30% for hospital-discharge outpatient services. Out-of-pocket max might be $6,000 individual / $12,000 family. This is your yearly worst-case ceiling for covered in-network care. If you see in-network and out-of-network columns, remember, in-network is negotiated and cheaper. Out-of-network can be unpredictable and much higher. Now, the $1,200 bill example. We'll walk through it step by step. Scenario A: your plan shows deductible $1,500, coinsurance 20%, copay $30 for office visits. You receive a $1,200 outpatient procedure bill early in the year, and you haven't met your deductible. Result: you pay $1,200 toward your deductible. Coinsurance doesn't start until the deductible is met. Copay doesn't apply here because this isn't a basic office visit, it's a procedure. It hurts, but it's exactly how the plan is designed. Scenario B: same plan, but later in the year you already met your $1,500 deductible from previous costs. Now you get the same $1,200 outpatient bill. Coinsurance 20% applies. You pay $240, your plan pays $960. That's the power of crossing the deductible threshold. Your share becomes a percentage, not the full amount. Scenario C: the encounter is coded as a simple office visit with a negotiated in-network rate of $200 and a $30 copay. You pay $30 at the desk. The plan pays the rest of the visit fee. If the doctor orders additional tests or procedures that are billed separately, those extra amounts may go toward the deductible first, then coinsurance after it's met. This is why the coding and the type of service matter. Let's expand with a few realistic twists so you can spot them in real life. Twist 1: facility versus professional fees. A hospital or outpatient center can bill a facility fee, and the doctor group bills a professional fee. Office visit, but the facility fee for a procedure typically goes to deductible / coinsurance. Twist 2: negotiated rates. The $1,200 is not the sticker price. It's the allowed amount after the insurer's discount. You always want that in-network discount, even if you're paying from your deductible. Twist 3: urgent care versus ER. Urgent care often has a lower copay and lower allowed amounts. If it's not life-threatening, urgent care can save you big compared to the ER. Twist 4: referrals and pre-authorizations. Some HMO plans require a referral from your primary care provider. Without it, the claim can be denied or paid at a worse rate. Always check your plan rules before scheduling. Common misconceptions, cleared up quickly. My copay covers everything at the visit. Not always. copay typically covers the visit itself. Labs, imaging, and procedures can bill separately. Coinsurance applies from day one. Usually no. Coinsurance starts after you meet your deductible. Preventive means free no matter what. Preventive has a strict definition. If your visit moves from preventive to diagnostics, for example, addressing new symptoms, costs can apply. Out-of-pocket max includes premiums. It doesn't. The max includes your deductible, copays, and coinsurance for covered in-network care, not your monthly premiums. How to choose the most cost-effective plan for your situation. Step 1, estimate your usage. If you rarely use care, maybe a checkup and a couple of visits, a higher deductible plan with a lower monthly premium can save you across the year. If you expect frequent care, specialty visits, or procedures, a lower deductible and richer copays or coinsurance may be worth the higher premium. Step 2, check your network. HMO versus PPO matters. HMO is usually cheaper but requires staying in network and may need referrals. PPO is more flexible, generally more expensive, but easier to use out of network. Step 3, compare out-of-pocket maximum. This is your worst case cap. If the year goes sideways, the plan with a lower max protects you more. Step 4, look at copay structure. Predictable copays can help budgeting and keep small visits affordable. Step 5, confirm your actual doctors and meds. Are your doctors in network? Are your medications on the formulary at a reasonable tier? Let's do a quick budget view so you feel in control. Build a small medical buffer, 1 month of premiums plus your typical copays, and plan for at least half of your deductible. If your plan offers an HSA, that's a health savings account paired with a high deductible plan. Use it. HSA contributions are pre-tax, can grow tax-free, and withdrawals for medical are tax-free. Contributing consistently can save you hundreds per year in taxes. If your plan offers an FSA instead and a flexible spending account, know it's use it or lose it annually, but it still gives you pre-tax savings on qualified expenses. Reading a claim or bill without panic, a mini walkthrough. You'll see service codes and allowed amounts. Start by checking the provider name, date of service, and whether it's marked in-network. Look for the insurer's allowed amount after discounts. Then see how it's split. Patient responsibility might include deductible applied, coinsurance percentage, and any copay already counted. If something looks off that's like out-of-network coding for a visit was in-network, call the provider's billing and your insurer. Many errors are fixable with updated coding. Smart moves to avoid surprise bills. Always verify in-network status before visits. If you're scheduling imaging or procedures, ask the office if both the facility and the reading physician are in-network. Use generic medications where medically appropriate generic copays are often much lower. If a bill is high and you're paying out of pocket, ask for a payment plan or a cash discount. Many offices have policies to help. Rapid Q&A to lock it in. Can copays apply before the deductible? Yes, often for basic office visits and generic prescriptions. Does coinsurance apply before the deductible? Usually no. It starts after the deductible is met. What happens when you hit your out-of-pocket max? You pay $0 for covered in-network services for the rest of the year. Are preventive visits always $0? There's $0 when coded as preventive. New issues or diagnostics can change that. Do premiums count toward the max? No, they don't. Let's wrap up with the 3 core ideas. Deductible, you pay first each year until the plan starts sharing. Copay, a fixed, predictable fee for certain services. Coinsurance, a percentage after your deductible is met. Use preventive care at $0. Stay in network. And pick the plan that matches how you actually use healthcare. By the way, if you're wondering which plan type is right for you, HMO, PPO, or HDHP, I already covered that. Check the link in the description or the card above. This video is for education only, not insurance advice.